Okay, guys, we're going to be doing a wok recipe, and I just got this new wok from Made in Cookware, and I'm really happy with this company. They're really nice people. I've seen their ads all over the place. They sent me this wok, so I'm going to use it in a recipe. We're going to take that chicken that I did the thermometer video with back a few days ago, and we're going to cook it in here with some pasta zero and some cherry tomatoes and some vodka cream sauce. We're pretty excited about it. So I got all my ingredients over there. Let me bring them over so you can see how to make this recipe. Basically, everything, like there's nothing to cook. The chicken, as you know, I already cooked, so I'm just going to cut it up. The pasta zero, you just got to warm it. So basically, we're using the wok just for warming purposes only. So really quick, I got all my ingredients out, but I want to talk about this pan for a moment. This is the blue carbon steel pan. I've cooked on stainless steel. I've cooked on copper. I've cooked on non-stick. I've cooked on everything, even cast iron. But I haven't done carbon steel. Carbon steel is like the new cast iron. Carbon steel has the same cooking effects of cast iron, but not as heavy. So even though this wok is pretty heavy, I'm going to be using this carbon steel. You treat it just like cast iron, but it's like half the weight. If I had anything this made out of cast iron, I probably couldn't even lift this. All right, come on in close and I'll show you the ingredients. All right, so I have the shirataki noodles that just need to be warmed up. I got the cherry tomatoes that just need to be warmed up. I got the chicken. I'm going to cut that up before I throw it in into cubes. I got some shredded Parmesan. I got vodka cream sauce, 2 jars of that. I may only need 1 jar. So we're going to throw this all together and see if it comes together nicely. Okay, first thing I want to do is just put a little drizzle of olive oil down there. Put some chicken in. Alright, chicken's all warmed up. Now we're going to throw in the tomatoes. And we kind of want them, some of them will bust open, that's okay. Kind of the look that we want, the feel we want. You don't want to break the tomatoes, but let them get real soft and wrinkly, and some of them bust open. So when cooking with the blue carbon steel, it's just as safe as cast iron. It's the new cast iron that everybody's going to, just for how wonderfully light it is. This wok's doing really good. I like this wok. Thanks again to Made in Cookware for sending me this wok. A few more minutes, then we're going to the next ingredient. So I'm going to start my collection of carbon steel cookware in addition to my stainless steel cookware. Okay, we're going to throw the next one in pretty quick. Throw our noodles in there. These aren't really noodles. These taste like noodles, feel like noodles, but they're really a Japanese root. Now that we got the noodles in there, let's throw on the cheese. Just shredded Parmesan cheese. So I'm going to now apply 1 jar of the sauce. I'm going to leave the other jar for the table. Looks wonderful. Cheesy and noodles and tomato. Very healthy dish. It's a tomato pasta chicken in a vodka cream sauce. I don't even know what to call this. I guess that's it. So there you go. Needs a little something on top. Give it some extra stuff. There we go. This is a bowl you put on the table and everybody pulls from. But it looks beautiful. Let me try this out. It's still hot. As you can see the steam. coming off it. I'm going to burn myself. The tomatoes are cheesy. The noodles are saucy. The chicken is nice and kind of charred. It's really good. This came out great. Easy dish. This is tonight's dinner, so I'm not going to pick at it right now. But I will see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for joining me. I love you.